Today I'm going to show you how to create a chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Accounting. Then open the Chart of Accounts tab. This page shows the accounts QuickBooks uses to organize your transactions, such as bank accounts, credit cards, income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. To create a new account, click Add Account in the top right corner. A setup window will open. First, enter the account name. Use a clear name, such as business checking, office supplies, sales income, or credit card. Next, choose the account type. This tells QuickBooks what kind of account you're creating, such as bank, credit card, income, expense, asset, or liability. Then choose the detail type. The detail type gives QuickBooks more information about the account and helps place it correctly on your reports. If you're adding an account that already has a balance, enter the opening balance and the correct date. If you're starting fresh, you can leave the opening balance blank. Review the account name, account type, detail type, and opening balance. Once everything looks correct, click Save. You can repeat these steps to add more accounts. A good starting point is to add your bank accounts, credit cards, income accounts, and main expense categories. Keep the names simple and avoid creating duplicate accounts. If you want to add multiple accounts at once, use the Import option. Click the drop-down or caret next to the Account button, then select Import. From there, upload an Excel file, CSV file, or connected Google Sheet. Make sure your file includes columns like account name, account type, detail type, and opening balance. Before importing, check the spelling and make sure the account types match QuickBooks options. And that's how to create a chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online in 2026.